Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a video on how to change the wax in your Scentsy warmer. So we have to be careful because this is glass, and so we just invented a new, hold on, my plant is kind of in the way here, isn't it? We invented a new product to clean your Scentsy warmer, and this is called the Scentsy Cotton Cleanup. So this is a cotton around here, and this can soak up to 4 cubes of wax, so you can use it many times. You place your fingers here so your fingers will not get wax on them, and then it has the perfect size to put the cotton cleanup directly in the Scentsy. This is called a dish, and then this is your warmer. So you can let that sit there for about 30 seconds. You can also kind of move it around so you can get the edges clean. But this soaks up the wax in your warmer with no risk of anything breaking, and your hands will stay clean while the cotton cleanup is soaking up the Scentsy wax. I can also share with you that this is a beautiful Scentsy stand. So you can have, it could be a beautiful decor piece. If you flip it around, it will also hide the long electrical cable, so your warmer looks really pretty sitting on your furniture. Okay. This plant is still on there. We'll move that back a little bit, tuck it back. Okay, so now the cotton cleanup should have already soaked up all of the wax. So you can see here that there is no more wax in the warmer, and it has all came up perfectly in the cotton cleanup. So you can just hold it like this. You can see that there's no more wax in the warmer. And then at the bottom of the dish, it says 4. So you can put up to 4 cubes of Scentsy wax in your Scentsy warmer. And each cube lasts for 12 hours, okay? So it just depends. If you want your house to have a really strong scent, then you can add, the maximum 4 cubes. If you just want to have a little bit, you can add 1. So I'm gonna come over here, and I have my little collection here, and I think I'm going to choose prickly pear and agave because it smells really good, and today it is going to be really nice and sunny. So this is a Scentsy bar, and there are 8 cubes in 1 bar. Okay, our bars are buy 5 get 1 free, which is a really great deal. And yeah, so there you go. When you join Scentsy, we have a discount with Vistaprint, and you can have really cute labels on your Scentsy wax. So what you do is you just take it right here, you break it. It's a little difficult to do one-handed right now, but yeah. And then you open it, and then you drop your cubes in. Just a minute. We have a safety seal on all of our waxes, so you know that nothing has happened to your wax when you receive it. So it's also safety for children. So you do there. We can do 2 cubes, and you simply just break it off. It came off like that. We're gonna do 2 cubes today because I really like this scent, and it's a really pretty green color. So we'll just sit that in there, and then the Scentsy warmer safely melts your wax at a very low temperature. Like, this is not hot at all. If I were to touch this, I put my finger in the dish, it's not hot, okay? So it might take 30 minutes to safely melt this wax at a safe temperature that would not harm your children or a pet if they were to touch this, because it's not hot at all. Okay?